How to create YouTube annotations to engage your viewers. To create YouTube annotations, follow these steps. Sign into your YouTube account and go to the Video Manager. Find the video you want to add annotations to and click the Edit button. Click the Annotations tab. Click the Add Annotation button. Select the type of annotation you want to add, for example, speech bubble, note, spotlight, etc. Type in the text you want to display in the annotation. Use the start time and end time options to specify when the annotation should appear and disappear during the video. Use the position and size options to adjust the placement and size of the annotation on the video. Use the style options to customize the appearance of the annotation, for example, font, color, etc. Click the Save button to save your changes. Here are some tips for creating effective YouTube annotations. Keep the text concise and to the point. Long blocks of text can be overwhelming and discourage viewers from reading the annotation. Use annotations to highlight key points, provide additional information, or promote related content. Use the link feature to add a clickable link to your annotation, which can be used to direct viewers to your website or another video. Use the spotlight feature to draw attention to a specific area of the video. This can be useful for pointing out details or calling attention to important visuals. Use the note feature to add a subtle annotation that appears as a small icon on the video. This can be useful for providing additional information without being too obtrusive. Use the speech bubble feature to create a more interactive and engaging annotation. This can be useful for creating a conversation with your viewers or adding a bit of personality to your video.